CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.1 Summarize various security measures and their purposes. Logical security. Logical security refers to the measures used to protect systems, data, and digital resources from unauthorized access through software-based controls. While physical security protects things you can touch, logical security protects what happens inside the system, such as who can sign in, what resources they can access, and what actions they are allowed to perform. At its core, logical security is about controlling access. It helps ensure that authorized users can reach the resources they need, while unauthorized users are blocked. This can involve verifying identities, assigning permissions, enforcing password requirements, encrypting sensitive information, and monitoring activity for suspicious behavior. In many ways, logical security acts as a digital gatekeeper. Logical security is not one single tool or setting, but a collection of protections that work together to reduce risk. A user may be required to authenticate before accessing a system, permissions may restrict what files they can open or modify, and monitoring tools may help detect suspicious activity. Each of these controls contributes to protecting systems and data from misuse or compromise. Logical security is especially important because many threats are not physical in nature. Cyberattacks, unauthorized logins, insider misuse, and accidental data exposure often target weaknesses in logical controls rather than locked doors or physical barriers. That is why organizations rely on these protections to help preserve confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. In practice, logical security shows up almost everywhere in IT, from logging into a workstation, to accessing a shared network folder, to using cloud applications protected by layered authentication. Many of the security mechanisms used in modern environments build on this foundation, making logical security a core concept for both the exam and real-world administration. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.